May I please have my flash drive? May I please have the flash drive?
You have your own flash drive.
Oh, yeah, where'd it go?
Oh, shit, you already recorded?
That's the whole point.
Why?
Just don't.
Oh.
That's why that's why I started recording. So this is day 2. I'm feeling very confident. Got my flash drive with me, so this is very important.
So I'll pull up my screen right now, and I'll show you what we did and what we're going to do. So if you guys remember in Module 2, so we're, what, 2 by 12, 1/6 the way there. We looked at variables and how we output those variables. So in Module 3, we're going to look at more variables and how we actually input them and use those functions. So
We're going to look at more variables.
yes. So basically, here's the problem that we're looking at. We need to write a program.
Yeah, we do.
Asks the user for his or her name, stores it in a variable called name, and then displays
Eloise, are you
it.
listening? Excuse me. And it does what?
It displays a name.
Okay. Oh, Eloise. Can we have it say Eloise?
What?
Can we make it say Eloise?
Yeah, we
instead?
can. As a variable, we can set it to whatever we want. So yeah, we can set it to Eloise. So
Good
we're gonna
girl.
input that, and then our final output should look something like this: like, what is your name? Hello, Bob. Whatever we put. In.
Okay.
All right. So remember, the first thing we do is hashtag. You want to just take wait? Okay.
Let me just try to take over. Let's just see.
All right.
Let's see how I do.
So hashtag include
Hashtag include.
IOStream.
Wait.
But you want to do that in the browser. Yeah. No. Just
Oh, and
no. Here.
I got
Boom, boom.
overexcited.
And then put IOStream.
Oh.
Yeah, you're close.
Oh, but isn't that isn't that a tag technically?
It's a tag in HTML. It's not
Like,
called a tag.
What is it called in this?
Oh, I'm not sure.
So we're gonna go with tag. Let me just insert. What was I inserting?
IOStream.
No
Stands
space?
for input output. No space. Yeah. And then we're gonna get out of that return, and then the std using namespace std.
Excuse me, I'm busy learning. Okay. STD.
Using namespace.
Namespace. Name.
No, namespace is one word.
Not in real life.
Yep. And then space std. And then don't forget the semicolon.
Bam! Most important part.
Yep. So hashtag include IOStream is actually the only line where we don't need a semicolon.
This is the only line that we do not need a semicolon.
Yes.
Everything else we need one. Now, when do we add?
So now we need the int main. So int.
Do we never do these brackets for this one?
No, we do. We do.
Okay.
We're getting to that right now.
Okay.
So that's part of a function which we'll get
Yes,
to
'cause that's how
module
you-
4 or 5, I think.
Because that's the entire thing. It's like the opening. Of it.
Yeah.
I'm already in my juice in my head. Sorry. Okay, focus. Let's go. So now I'm doing.
Int. Int.
But am I doing it in these things?
No, not yet. We're gonna make those. So before we do those things, we got to name. So like those things are like before we put the code.
Yeah.
We have to name the code something basically. So this is gonna be the function name. So int space. We're gonna name it main.
Hello. Yeah.
Main.
Main.
Yep. And then you want to do.
Don't.
Those two?
I can make parentheses.
Okay. Parentheses, and then after we make those two parentheses, we can open close. We can open close the bracket. So boom. Boom.
She loved the thread on the.
Yeah, that's awesome. Thanks, Katie.
Katie, you rock, girl.
Katie, you're the best.
Okay.
Alright, so it means, and now we're ready to.
And I do
finish
nothing
it.
in main.
Well, now we actually code the program. This is where there are.
Well, I'm talking about this little guy.
Yeah, so that little guy, don't worry about that for now. That just tells us, this is gonna be a block of code that we're gonna start typing in.
Let's get sauce on this coding. Okay. All right.
So let's go inside there. And so first thing we need to do is see out. What is your name? ? See out. Yep. And then.
But don't I have to use these things?
Yes. Yep. Nice. Front and then the quotations. What is your name? You gotta spell exactly like that, though. It's gonna be annoying.
What? Spell exactly what?
So.
Oh, like the thing about.
Yeah. So capital W. And then there's no space, and space is actually like if you have a space there, they're gonna say it's wrong, and no, it's not. So let me just do this.
I can do
Okay,
this.
fine. No, okay. Everything here is spaced. Okay.
Reach. I'm gonna listen.
1 second. You're doing amazing.
I'm not. Yeah, I know I am.
Just boom. What is your name?
I already had spaces. I thought.
I think we were like a little messed up. Okay. So
Does the first quote?
no space there. You don't have
Okay.
space there. All right. So now, before we can grab in the value, we need a variable.
Okay.
Right.
Variable is Eloise.
No. Well, no. That's the value we're putting into the variable. So we're gonna call a variable name because that's gonna be.
Oh, yes. Because then it'll replace name with when we input Eloise.
Exactly. So if you remember, do you remember how to declare a variable? So let's do that up top before the cout. You usually declare variables at the very beginning.
Declare a variable is the annoying one with the L. No, that's end L. No.
All right. So just to refresh you, how you declare a variable. First thing you do is specify a data type. So in the module 2, we used int, which stands for integer. But for this, we're taking in a name. So if we're taking in a name, string. Well, that's actually right for Swift though. There you go. You're ahead of the game.
I think we just need to go to Swift.
So type in string. So you're gonna be holding in a string value, and then space name. Cool. Semicolon. Close that off. Nice. And now we can go back down after cout, and we're gonna cin into name. Yep. Cin, and then the two going the other way though.
Oh, that makes sense. Cin.
Cin and cout. Exactly. And then name.
Oh.
No quotations.
Yeah.
No space
either.
Semicolon. Cool. So now that we have that, we just have to output it, right? So now we know the cout statement. Quotations. Mistake. No space. Hello. No.
Oh.
Hello. HEL.
Oh, hello.
Comma.
Eloise?
No, because now we're gonna. This is like you don't have to hard code it in because we can just plug in whatever the value the variable has at that instant. So space, just do quotations.
Oh, should I do that?
No, just do quotation. No, because we have to put the name first and then the exclamation mark. So just do quotations, and then do the two carets.
Other way?
No.
Name.
And then double carets.
Double carets, quotations,
and then the exclamation mark.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So then you go to another quotations, and then semicolon.
Wait. Another quotation?
And then semicolon.
And then semicolon.
So real quick, just type in return space 0. We'll get to that in the next episode, I think.
Okay, space.
No, sorry. Don't actually type space. Return. Click the space, and then number 0. You guys didn't see that, don't worry.
Return
no one saw that.
Space 0?
No, okay. Actually type return space.
Oh!
There we go. Alright, so you won't make that mistake ever again.
Nah, you guys
didn't see. Let's click run and hope that works.
Okay. Oh!
Okay, so it says the test failed. It says, what is your name? Hello. So why is that different?
What is your...
Oh, no new line.
At
all right.
End of field.
Okay, add a file.
Wow, I can't even read. Oh.
We'll do Shelby Learns how to
Shelby Learns how to
after
read.
this. Alright, so you want to go right there after this last quotations?
Quotations, and I want to add that.
No, you wanna do a double caret.
Double caret.
End line.
One word.
End L. One word.
End line.
Yeah. No. Just like that. Alright, so let's run that again.
Do I not need to close it?
No.
Once again, still not over the fact that that's the one. That's the L. Run. Let's run this around the world, girls. That's true.
Alright, so
Woo!
there we go. Let's submit this and get my homework in.
Duh.
And there you have it, guys. That's module 3. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Also, check out Shelby's YouTube channel at Shut Up Shelby. Just one word.
Duh.
Yeah, guys, and stay tuned for the next episode. And we'll catch you later.
Yes, we will tomorrow. Bye-bye.